大家好，欢迎来到 Daily Mandarin. I'm your host, a native Mandarin speaker. Every episode, we learn one useful Mandarin word that you can start using right away. Today's word is 来. 来. It means to come. You'll hear it every day in Mandarin. So let's get started. Listen carefully and repeat after me. 来. Again. 来. One more time. 来. 来 uses the second tone. Your voice rises like you're asking a question. 来. 来. Now, let's build your Mandarin. 快点来. 快点来. Come quickly or hurry up and come. 我来了. 我来了. I'm here. Here I come. 请进来. 请进来. Please come in. 我明天来. 我明天来. I'll come tomorrow. Imagine you're working with a group. Someone asks, 这个报告谁要负责? 这个报告谁要负责? Who wants to be in charge of this report? And you volunteer. So you say, 我来. 我来. I'll do it. Let me. This is a very natural way to use 来 when you are volunteering to take care of something. You'll often hear native Mandarin speakers say, 时来运转. 时来运转. Let's break it down. 时 means time. 来 means to come. 运 means fortune. 转 means to turn. So literally, 时来运转 is about the right time coming and your fortune turning. It means your luck changes for the better. Now imagine a friend has been having a difficult time. Things haven't been going well. But suddenly, opportunities start popping and everything begins to change. And you might say, 他最近时来运转了. 他最近时来运转了. His luck has turned around. It's a way of saying that someone has entered a period where things are going their way. And if you are listening to this video, no matter where you are or where life takes you, I hope your fortune always turns for the better. May good luck never stop coming your way. And that's today's daily Mandarin word, 来. 来. Let's practice together 3 more times. 来. 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 Now it's your turn. Can you make one sentence using 来? Write it in the comments below. I'd love to read your Mandarin. 好，大家下次见咯. See you next time, everyone. And don't forget to like and subscribe so you never miss a word.